Dude, that is another pig, isn't it? There he is. He's under the boat. Bring him up. About 15 feet down. That's a good sized fish. It's getting tired. Death spiral. Death spiral.
Death spiral. They know the end is near when they go into death.
There it is. Here he comes. Keep him out of the water. Keep him.
Here, why don't you get it?
Oh, what, dude? I would have gaffed that thing.
I got nervous.
What? Come on.
Last thing I want to have happen is lose the fish.
There you go. Now, don't. Nope. Oh. He's a nice fat one.
Nice, yeah.
That thing is a horse. Ryan. Ryan. Shit. David, freehand.
What's that?
Got it?
Yeah, got it.
You get a knife?
Knife's right here in the bag. I'll get it. Dang it, I'm shooting video.